What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the vlog. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe. Please subscribe down below. So today's being an unboxing of my rough country 2-inch lift from my 2006 GMC Sierra 1500 4-wheel drive. So let's do the unboxing. But first, the box came slide open, and yeah. So just hopefully this is everything. The staples are still there. Probably when I think it was FedEx dropped it off, but we'll see. So let's see. Scoot that over. Wow. Okay. So the first part is this. So we got our lifting blocks right here. The tapered end goes towards the front. I believe that is, what is this? Oh, stickers. Wow, it's a sticker. Okay. That's cool. I'm gonna toilet paper roll. Says, oh nice, service reminder, check all and retighten wheels after 50 miles. All suspension components must be retightened at 500 miles. Cool. That's pretty dope. So let's move this side and get the shocks out. I went with the N3, so all this came out to like 215 bucks. There we go. There we go. So we have the rear shocks and the front shocks right there. We got stickers. Move that to the side for right now. We got hardware. Front. And rear again. I'll set this up on my little workbench I have here. Then we got a Chevy GMC Rough Country magazine. And more stickers. Solid. So 1.5 to 2-inch lift kit. Please scan QR code for instructions. Pretty cool. Our stickers up top. And more hardware. Bushings for the front. Cool. That's it in the box. Let's slide that over. Let's pick this up. Lay it down right here. So I'm probably going to be installing this in the next month or so, but the video will be coming up, let's say like 2 days after this. But I gotta find some tires. I don't know if I want to run 35s or 33s. I really don't know yet, but we'll see. So let's get a closer look at this stuff, guys. So we have our 2 lifting blocks right here. I like this packaging a lot. We have brand new hooks to hold these down on the rear end when you drop it. Then we have our 2 keys. Pretty solid. I ordered this like 2 days ago and it came already. That's pretty sick. Then we have a rough country detail. I'll probably put on my work chest when I get one. Because I had rough country on my 4Runner, loved it, and then my dad's 2003 GMC Yukon. Awesome product. My dad said it feels real smooth, driving wise. So yeah, guys. Let's see how this looks outside the bag. Here we go for the front. Put that right here on the side. All right, everyone. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm so excited for this lift kit going to be installed. Like I said before, probably up in a couple days after I post this unboxing video. It's a little quick video, but super excited. I love the package quality from Rough Country. So dope. Like, I'm going to save this insert. That's how much, but got my shocks, the M Premium M3. And yeah, guys, I can't wait for that. But I know this video is going to go up before you guys even comment, but 33s or 35s. I've seen videos that they fit it, the 17s. I'm running 17s, either 33, 12.5, 17, or 35, 12.5, 17, or 285, 70, 17 for 33s, or 315, I think 70 17s for 35s, but I don't know. All terrain or mud for my truck, but we will see. We will see, guys. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.